Howdy everyone, good morning, this is Astha Joshi, or good afternoon, good evening. This is Astha Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops, and today we're going to learn this request which came to me by Jaya, and she's to sing this song somewhere. So yeah, I'm quickly doing this. She's been so persistent on requesting this. So yeah, here it is, Jaya. I'm doing this just for you. I'm going to make it really quick because I'm in the middle of packing and there's so much stuff, but मैं इतना उब गई थी ये सब करते करते कि मुझे बस गाना था. I just had to release myself and I chose this song, and it's very easy. The chords we're using are these. This is a strumming pattern. If you already know, then skip, otherwise here we go.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
The first chord that we're using here is an A minor. A minor जो है वो 4th string है on the 2nd fret. Then don't lose your A minor. Just take your index finger, put it on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. This becomes F. Okay, so using D minor, so keep your F intact and take your ring finger and put it right behind your middle finger, which is on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This becomes D minor. Also using G. G क्या है? Your index finger and your middle finger go on the 3rd and the 1st string of 2nd fret, and your ring finger goes on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This becomes G. Now the strumming pattern is so easy, so easy. I used the same strumming pattern in Saiya as well, which is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So we're gonna go down and then down, up, down, up. This down, up will be accented, but the first sound will be sh. So A से F, F से D minor, D minor से G जाते हैं, ठीक है? With this strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Down, down, up, down, 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 down. Okay? So down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Easy. अब जो इसका फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ है, यू नो, प्रीत की लत मोहे, तो इसमें हम सिंगल स्ट्रम करेंगे. लेट अस स्टार्ट. इट्स, you don't have to strum out every word. There is a certain gap that you'll bring and you'll strum there. Okay, so it's something like this. प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी. Okay, then G. हो गई मैं मतवारी, बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को, मैं जाऊं वारी वारी, मोहे सुध बुध नाई रही तन मन की, ये तो जाने दुनिया सारी, बेबस और लाचार फिरूं मैं. जी. हारी मैं दिल हारी, हारी मैं दिल हारी. तो हर जगह पे सिंगल डाउन स्ट्रम्स and just and sing उसकी buzzing में ही sing. Okay, lovely. Now coming to the next part, which is तेरे नाम से जी लूं. Now the song goes really high, so be careful. Okay, now down up down up down down up down up, ठीक है? So तेरे नाम से जी लूं, so लूं पे हम लोग F पे चले जाएंगे, and then तेरे पर F पे रहेंगे. when again we're gonna come to A minor, so it's gonna look and listen and hear and feel something like this. तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं. so मर जाऊं पे हम लोग मर जाऊं. okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, let's go. तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे जान के सदके में. जी. ओके, तेरे जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या very easy. Okay, now let's go to the next part. दीवानी दीवानी हो 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 इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, हंसते हंसते आशिक सूली चढ़ जाए. So one more time. इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, हंसते हंसते आशिक सूली चढ़ जाए. इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, खूब लगा लो पहरे रस्ते रब खोले. यही इश्क की मर्जी है, यही दिल की मर्जी है, यही इश्क की मर्जी है, यही रब की मर्जी है. तेरे बिन जीना कैसा, हाँ खुद गर्जी है. तूने क्या कर डाला, मिट गई मैं, हो रे हारी हो गई मैं. तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी. Okay, coming to the next part. I love this part. 1 2 3 let's go. रे में रंग रंगीली दीवानी, रे में अलबेली में मस्तानी, गाऊं बजाऊं सबको रिझाऊं, रे मैं दीन धर्म से बेगानी, रे मैं अनजानी में तेरे नाम से जीन. And you carry on. Okay, so this is a beautiful song to enjoy, to sing, to discover, to get lost, whatever you want to say, right? This is amazing. The only thing is कि बस वो अपना strumming pattern down down up down up down down up down up down down up down up को पकड़ के रखोगे, एक flow पे चलते रहोगे, तो बस this song will keep on coming out. Okay, I'm having a bad throat. I'm eating ice cream since like 1 week. So yeah, Jaya, I hope I helped you here. Learn it quickly and then sing it and then tell me how it was. Okay, all right, I will see you all next time. Until then, adios amigos and amigas. Now for some time I'm taking a break, I told you already. Okay, so yeah, don't miss me too much, miss me only a little bit. Okay, bye.